Hello, adventurers, and welcome back to the next episode of the Kingdom Chronicles. I am your host, Matt, and today I'll be taking you on a little room tour of the one-bedroom villa at the Bay Lake Tower. So we just came in the door here. First thing you'll notice as you walk through is the artwork on the wall. I'm blanking on the artist's name, but I'm sure somebody will know. Then we have the one bathroom, which has some early artwork of what looks like the contemporary resort. We have the vanity, sink, mirror, hello. Your toilet, obviously, towels, small shower. You have the fixed lotions and shampoos, soap. You have the sliding door, which has the lock on it. Then we come in here, and we have the image of Roy Disney opening Walt Disney World with Mickey Mouse. Then we have the laundry room over here. Some of our luggage, don't mind that. This room, we have the kitchen area and the living space. So we have the light fixture on the ceiling, more of that artwork on the wall. There's the booth there, 2 chairs, pretty decent sized table. Then we have the pull down bed here, the trundle bed, which has the Electrical Main Street Parade, which I am now just seeing for the first time, and that's actually really cool. So this has the artwork on it from the Electrical Main Street Parade. So there's that. Put that back up here. And then on the front of it, we have the monorail and the contemporary. Now we'll go over to the balcony next. Got a beautiful view here, as you can see. It's very humid outside, but the weather is not terrible for the middle of July. There is one of the seats in here. Big comfy chair, a small table. Here's another look at the view we have in our wonderful room here at Bay Lake Tower. There's a small table here with a smaller drawer here. A little bit of storage on the bottom there. It's the couch with the pull-down bed, which I will show you guys in a minute. For the pull-down bed here, it has the image of Space Mountain and Tron Light Cycle Run over here in Tomorrowland. I don't know if there's a light switch here. Oh, there is. Let me go turn that on real quickly for you guys. Come over here. The light switch will be right on this side of the headboard. Just turns on the little light above the bed. I'm not sure how bright that'll be during the day, but in the evening I'm sure it's blinding. But yeah, that's it's a good usual pull-down bed. Not bad. We have more drawers over here with the nightstand, and here's the kitchen area. Got a nice solid marble countertop, the stove, microwave, coffee machine, sink, dishwasher, fridge, freezer, any glasses and utensils you might need throughout your stay. But yeah, so there's that. Next, I'm going to show you the big bedroom and the bathroom. Start with the bathroom. Got the big old tub here. Much better than the one in the other bathroom, if I say so. And we have the other mirror here. Hello, everyone. And really nice size vanity here, too. We have another toilet, more artwork, towels, walk-in shower with the seat. There's some more storage under the vanity here as well. There's a closet here, which holds some space for clothes, as well as the safe for the room. And then we have the main bedroom here. Another mirror. Here's the door for the bathroom. We have more artwork here on this wall. There's an end table on each side of the bed in this room. Nice sized bed here too. And there's another one of the chairs. More artwork. And this is the same balcony that connects to that side of the room. So not much of a difference there, but beautiful room, beautiful view. All right, you guys, that is the room tour for Bay Lake Tower. Hope you guys enjoyed, and Don't forget, adventure's always out there. We'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.